Hello everyone, our next problem is this exponential equation 2 power x is equal to 3 power x, and we have to find the value of the x. Let us solve this. First of all, we take ln with base 2 on both sides. We get ln base 2 into 2 power x is equal to ln base 2 into 3 power x. Now on the next step, we use this logarithm property. Ln of a with base a power b is equal to b ln of a with base a. And using this identity on the right hand side, on left hand side, we get x ln of 2 with base 2 is equal to x ln of 3 with base 2. Now we know that ln of a with base a is equal to 1. No, and using this identity on the left hand side, our equation gives out x is equal to x ln of 3 with base 2. No, on the next step, we subtract our right hand side with the left hand side. We get x time x minus x ln of 3 with base 2 is equal to 0. No, we can take out x common from both of this term, as x here and here in both of this term. We get x time 1 minus ln of 3 with base 2 is equal to 0. No, we equate both term to 0, and equating we get x is equal to 0 or 1 minus ln of 3 with base 2, which is equal to 0. It gives out x is equal to 0 or 1 is equal to ln of 3 with base 2. As it doesn't satisfy our equation, no, it gives out x is equal to 0, which satisfy our given exponential equation 2 power x is equal to 3 power x. Now our final step is to verify it satisfy our equation or not. When we take x is equal to 0, our left hand side is equal to 2 power 0, it is equal to 1. And when x is equal to 0, our right hand side is equal to 3 power 0 is equal to 1, which gives out left hand side is equal to right hand side. Thus x is equal to 0 is our required value of the x, which satisfy our given exponential equation. If you're new here, make sure that you to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the 9 power x is equal to 36, and we have to find the value of the x which satisfy this exponential equation. First of all, we can write it as 9 power x is equal to 36. 36 can be break down as 9 times 4. 9 times 4, it become 36. Now, in the next step, we take the logarithm in order to expand it. On taking log on both sides, we get log of 9 power x is equal to log of 9 times 4. It become 36. Now, in the next step, we use the logarithm property. Log of a power b is equal to b times log of a. Now, I'm using this identity in our left hand side of this equation. We get x time log of 9 is equal to log of 9 times 4. So we can use this logarithm property. Log of a times b is equal to log of a plus log of b. We use this identity on the right hand side of the above equation. We get x time log of 9 is equal to log of 9 plus log of 4. Now, on the next step, we dividing both side by log of 9. We get x log of 9 divided by log of 9 is equal to log of 9 plus log of 4 divided by log of 9. Now we can cancel out this log of 9 by this log of 9, and the remaining part is x is equal to log of 9 divided by log of 9 plus log of 4 divided by log of 9. Now we can cancel out this log of 9 by this log of 9, and we have, and the remaining part is x is equal to 1 plus log of 4 divided by log of 9. Now on the next step we can write x is equal to 1 plus log of 4 can be written as 2 power 2 divided by log of 9 can be written as 3 power 2. Now in the next step we use this logarithm property, log of a power b is equal to b log of a, as we used in the previous. X is equal to 1 plus 2 log of 2 divided by 2 log of 3. Now we can cancel out this 2 by this 2, which implies x gives out 1 plus log of 2 divided by log of 3. Now we know that log of a divided by log of b can be written as log of a with base b. Now when we use this identity, our equation will become x is equal to 1 plus log of 2 with base 3, which is the required value of the x which satisfy our given exponential equation. If you're new here, make sure that you to subscribe our channel for more informative video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.